How to switch to desktop mode in Safari on iPhone on iOS 26. First, make sure that the Safari app is up to date on your device. Tap on App Store. Then in the search bar, search for Safari. So if you have any update here, guys, try as much as you can to update your app to the latest version. You can see that the app is up to date. Now that I've done that, go ahead and open the Safari apps on your home screen. Now here is the page or the website I want to view. As yours, go ahead and view the website. Now that it has opened like this, tap on these three button here, tap on it. Then it comes up like this. Tap on these three dots. Once you tap on that three dot, guys, it comes up like this. Request website, request desktop website. Tap on it. So in case your own is not like this, it's not that you. In case you don't have that option on your own Safari, don't bother. Then let's try. Go to settings button. Tap on it. On settings button, scroll down to the base of this page. Tap on apps. Once tap on apps now, from the list of apps here, locate and search for Safari, or you type in Safari in the search bar, tap on Safari to open it. Now that I've opened it, guys, scroll up to the base of this page until you see an option that says request desktop mode. You can say request desktop website. Tap on it. Once tap on it, make sure that this button is toggled on for all websites. Now that I've toggled it on, then close this page, come to the Safari again, then refresh this page and follow the first steps I explained in this video. That's all, guys. You've been able to switch to desktop mode on your Safari apps. If you enjoyed this tip and not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.